This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system and locating the exact adapter you will remove. Open Network and Internet Settings or Control Panel and focus on the Ethernet adapter listing. Note its name and MAC address so you don't remove the wrong device. Once done, confirm you have administrator rights. Without them, you cannot delete system entries. Make sure any active transfers are stopped, because deletion severs the link immediately. This step prevents accidental removal and clarifies the target for the next actions. You now disable the adapter first to safely stop traffic. Right-click and choose Disable. This avoids abrupt drops. Next, remove saved profiles and any static IP, DNS, or proxy settings tied to that adapter so Windows won't recreate it automatically. If you want the system to forget the hardware, open Device Manager, locate the network adapter, and choose Uninstall Device. Check the box to remove drivers if you're sure. Once these actions complete, the OS will no longer present the connection. You finish by rebooting the machine to clear cache settings and let the system settle. This ensures deleted entries are gone. After restart, verify in network connections and run ipconfig/all to confirm the adapter and old IP are absent. If the adapter reappears, make sure drivers weren't auto-reinstalled, and if necessary, reinstall or roll back the driver. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, restore the system snapshot or reinstall the network driver. This recovers connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.